Let me show you how you guys can delete your YouTube channel. First, you want to open up your browser, and on your browser, go to YouTube. Once you're in YouTube, you want to click on your YouTube's profile picture at the top right, and then click on YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, you want to click on Settings at the bottom left. From here, you want to click on Channel, and inside here, choose Advanced Settings. From here, scroll all the way down and choose Remove YouTube Content. Inside here, it's going to open up another page, ask you to log in into your account. So log in into your account first. Once you log in into your account, you want to choose I want to permanently delete my content, and then once you tick mark this and this, click on delete my content, and all of your content from your YouTube channel will be deleted. And that's basically how you guys can delete your YouTube channel's content. And if you want to hide your channel after you delete all your content, you can just open this and tick mark this too and click on hide my channel, and your channel will also be hidden without any content. These are the things you can do in order to delete your YouTube channel. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.